Hello! In this short video, I'm going to go over some highlights about using the library at Columbia College Chicago. So I'm starting on the library's website homepage. That's library.colum.edu. And one of the first things you're going to see on this page is our main search field. So this is going to let you search all of these types of materials and more. You can search everything, which really means almost everything. Books and ebooks, articles, video, and so on. So this is a great basic search, and it might be exactly what you need to get started. There are, though, a few other things on this site that I want to point out to you and make sure you're aware of. Let's start at the top, or near the top. So you'll notice here it says Ask a Librarian. You'll see these options on pretty much every page of the library website. So no matter what you're doing, no matter what resource you're looking at, you can always message or chat a librarian, send an email, check our FAQs, and so on. If you need help, ask, and we're here to help. You'll also see that there's information highlighted about our hours, study rooms, equipment, and printing. I really want to point your attention to this teal bar, the darker teal that I've highlighted on the screen here. These are our quick links. If you need to do something that's not this main search, chances are you'll be able to do it using one of these links. You could do advanced search to do something more complicated than just a keyword search. Research guides are fantastic if you don't know what kind of resource is going to be best for the information you're looking for. We'll come back to those in a second. Databases lists all of the nearly 200 databases you have access to as a member of the Columbia College community. You can also request or suggest a purchase. If there's something that we don't have right now, let us know. Interlibrary loan is how we can, on your behalf, borrow materials from other libraries. So if you don't see something here, whether it be a book or an article or a video, try making a request here and we'll see if we can get it for you. There's also information on finding images and using the college archives and special collections. Let's go back to that link for research guides. So remember when I clicked on the link for databases and you saw a long list, just in alphabetical order of specific resources? The research guides are going to curate those databases and resources around specific subjects and topics. So you can either look at the full list here and see if there's one that is really focusing on what you're interested in. You can also jump over to where it says by subject. And this might be useful if you're looking at information for a specific class, or if you're majoring in a specific topic and you want to see the guides that are available in that subject area. So for example, if you're doing dance, you can see we have a couple of dance guides. This also could help with topics as well. So you might be doing company research and see that we have guides under advertising and public relations and business economics, as well as just a guide on companies and industries. So this way you don't have to go through that full database list to see, well, maybe this database would be useful for me. Instead, you can jump to research guides and it'll do some of that work for you. Let's go back to the library homepage. If I scroll down a little bit, you're also going to see our events calendar, library news, and right here we always highlight announcements and really important things for you to be aware of. So right now, that might include keeping up with our library reopening guidelines. These are subject to change, but they'll stay updated with information about what you can do by walk-in, what you need an appointment for, resources that are available online, and processes for checking out materials, returning materials, and visiting the building. So this website, our library website, has a lot of information, and I hope this video helped you understand how to use it even better.